everyone, my name is Steve Smith, aka Ardalis, and welcome to my course, C# Design Patterns, Memento. I am an experienced .NET developer, architect, and trainer. My private team workshops and Pluralsight courses have helped thousands of developers and teams write better code faster. You'll find me online as Ardalis on Twitter, GitHub, YouTube, and more. I love design patterns. They're like individual tools you can add to your toolkit as a software developer. They don't take long to introduce, but they can take a lot of practice to master. In this course, we are going to explore the Memento design pattern, a great pattern for managing state and implementing features like undo, redo in a clean manner. Some of the major topics that we will cover include: what problem is the Memento pattern meant to solve? What software design principles can we apply to this pattern? How can you apply the Memento pattern in a couple of specific ways in your applications? And how would you implement undo or redo logic with this pattern? What other design patterns are similar to this one? By the end of this course, you'll be able to recognize situations where the Memento pattern makes sense and be able to apply it with confidence. I hope you'll join me in learning about the Memento design pattern for C#, and I hope you'll continue exploring other design patterns as well here on Pluralsight.